Welcome to Wheatley Provincial Park on the shores of Lake Erie. It is only a 20-minute drive to Point Pelee National Park from here, and that is the reason we chose this campground. Like a lot of the areas on the Great Lakes, the storms this year have been devastating. The high water levels have washed away the sandy beaches and eroded the shoreline to the point where this beach is closed to public use. This has created another problem: stable flies. The freshly exposed topsoil has been the perfect breeding ground for them, and they are unbearable. Away from the beach, though, they disappeared completely.
Wheatley is the most southern provincial park in all of Canada. As you can see, it's just a short drive away from Point Pelee National Park. Wheatley is open from mid-April until the end of October. There are a total of 220 sites, 96 of which have 30 amp service.
The park is 600 acres of mostly forest that is divided by several large bodies of water. The many paths are easily accessible for both bikes and walking.
This is the bridge that takes you from the campground to the beach. It's a popular spot for fishing and canoeing. It was a 10-minute walk from our site to the beach. This concludes our short tour of Wheatley Provincial Park. Up next is our visit to Point Pelee National Park. Give us a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and subscribe to see future videos. Thanks for watching.